In times of crisis, your business system will help you survive. Kung may system ka, malalaman mo kung overstaff ka ba. Malalaman mo kung may margin ka pa kapag tumaas ang presyo ng mga bilihin and operating expenses mo. Malalaman mo kung tumaas ba ang food cost mo. Malalaman mo rin kung meron kang dapat simulan gawin or pwedeng itigil. I created an online course kung saan matututunan mo to lahat. Especially now na meron tayong crisis. This course will help your business survive. This is originally sold at 25,000 pesos, but now you can have access to this course together with templates and documents na maaari mo na kaagad gamitin sa business mo at just 999 pesos. You can click the link in this video to learn more about this course that can help you survive this crisis.